Okay, the topic is talk about a traditional object of your country, please.
Pakistan is rich and diverse in its
Mic ऊपर कर लें.
traditions.
Yeah,
अभी सही आ रही है बात?
yeah, that's fine.
So Pakistan is rich and famous in its tradition, and there are different types of tradition in different parts of Pakistan. Today I would like to discuss and talk about tradition of Punjab, which is known as Punjabi Jutti, and we say it in English as shoe. Uh, I wear different types of shoes and Punjabi juttis. They are made up with leather, and they are embroidered and made in different colors. Some of them are plain, some of them are colorful. First time I wear the Punjabi jutti on the marriage of my cousin 2 years ago, and then after that I started wearing it on daily basis.
Okay, thank you. The first thing is speak fluently. Second, connect your ideas. Third, instead of Punjabi jutti, you can use the word Punjabi sandals, Punjabi shoe, Punjabi footwear.
Oh.
Most appropriate word
Okay.
is footwear. So you should use that and try to use a variety of words
Okay.
and speak fluently.
Okay.
You have the book, you can practice. Now we move on, speaking part 3. What are the benefits of traditional products to local people?
So the benefits of traditional products to get business from local customers and local traders, and it will help people to get some earning from the local people, so they can.
Alright, you just need to overcome this thing. Okay, answer should come like this.
Yes.
So practice part 1, part 2, and part 3. Okay, thank you.